Yeah. Before we start, y'all see anything new? I'm just saying, y'all see, do y'all guys see anything new? You know, just a little new. Just a little new. No. For real? Damn. Y'all don't know what's my brother getting no new cut or nothing. Shit. Title sequence. My mom, right? So she asked me yesterday to use my tablet. So I told her, go ahead, use my tablet. I'm just not gonna help your ass. So I gave her the tablet, she was using it. Then she started doing shit like, and when she was doing shit like that, it just pissed me off because I gave you the tablet and warned you. It's kind of like one of those things you see before a video. Kind of like, yeah, it's kind of like that. Yeah, the viewers discretion and shit. They warned you like, hey, I told my mom, I was like, hey mom, you need to, if you're gonna use my tablet, your ass need to use my tablet because I'm not helping you out. So figure it out. It's simple, it's self-explanatory. That's why technology is made for you to use. We grew up with technology, so it's more easy for us, so we're not literate to it. But damn, mom, really? Like really? Really, mom? Really, mom? And then it got really weird because she kept on calling me more than 5 minutes. Kinda like, Phil, I need your help. Come help your mama. Come on, I'm gonna help your mama. It was just stupid. Like, mom, why you gotta keep on bothering me for this damn thing? Like, it's not that serious. Why do you need to do that constantly? Bother a brother after I told you I'm not gonna help you figure it out. I gave you the password to my damn tablet. Use it. That's it. Gave the password. It's a PIN number. Gave it to you. Use it. Oh, how you get to the internet? How you use it? This, that, and the third. It's just so weird, man. I don't know what to say about that shit. It's just, I don't get that shit. Mom just really don't understand shit. Do you have folks that just don't understand shit? No matter how many times you explain it, it literally got to the point yesterday. My mom somehow tricked me. I knew she was doing it, but she literally tricked me into doing all the work for her on the tablet. Yeah, can I help you? Oh, thank you for finally coming. How you work this button right here? I didn't get to the Google. Mom, I told you I wasn't gonna help you. I told you my password. I pointed out where the internet is and you on Google. Like, now I asked for your help. Why the fuck you gotta be a problem? I don't know how to use Google or whatnot. I asked you for help. Give me the damn tablet. Really, mom? Really? She tricked me to doing all the work, putting her email, whatever, put her credit card information, everything. I fell for that ish. That's stupid. Damn. I thought I'd just let y'all guys know. I was wondering if your parents trick you into doing the work for them on a tablet or a device that they don't know how to use themselves. Seriously, I'm just asking that question. Let's start this conversation. The moral of the story is, if you tell your parents something about technology, like you're not gonna help them, and you're probably gonna end up helping them anyways for some strange, stupid fucking reason. For real. Yep.